So we're out here getting ready to start up a nice summer evening fried rice. We are all set, prepped and ready to go. We have mushrooms, carrots, onions, scallions, peppers, bean sprouts, egg, some shrimpies, and some chatsu pork, barbecued pork, ready to go for our fried rice tonight. So at this point, I think it's about ready to begin. Nice and hot. First step, oil in. At this point, guys, we're gonna let these tenderize for a second, get a little aromatic, and then we're gonna add in our egg. Then we're gonna follow up with our mushrooms, bean sprouts, our proteins, and everything else that we need. 2 beaten eggs going in. While these tenderize, we are going to add in some of our nice, fresh, peeled and deveined shrimpies. These should only take a couple seconds to soften and cook all the way. Look at that, you can already see the color starting to show on the shrimps. They cook quick. Alright, at this point we are going to add some of our mushrooms. Nicely chopped peppers from the garden. Alright guys, so we're going to scoop at this point to one side, get everything a little bit partialed so we can drop our sauces into the bottom. First, we're going to hit it with a little regular soy sauce, a little dark soy sauce, splash of hot oil, sesame oil, and some regular sesame, some Chinese cooking wine, and then we're going to get in some of our beautiful char siu over here. Nice and dark. This, we're going to add a nice bowl of some rice. Look at the color we're getting on that rice. Alrighty guys, so it looks like we have our fried rice and it's time to give it a try. We have quite the medley of rice. There's some fresh bean sprouts, some scallions. We have that lovely char siu, shrimp, and some other really good stuff in there. So we're gonna go ahead and dive right into this and give it a try. The color on this, you can tell that the heat really did a number to it. Right off the rip, I got some of those shrimp, a little bit of heat from the sesame oil and the jalapenos, combination peppers from the garden. On that bite, as soon as I got it in my mouth, I felt the char siu land on my tongue and I knew I was in for a treat. Super fatty, just kind of melts away. So char siu is it's barbecued pork. And it's something that I found you can get cooked fresh, or I guess maybe it's grilled fresh, over at Adong in West Hartford. They do a really good job. Really nice flavor. The shrimp quality is very nice. Adong gets very, very fresh fish. That's really nice. It's not light soy sauce, but the heavier one, it like thickens up whatever you throw it into so much. It comes with this really wonderful flavor. You still get a little texture from the bean sprout. Those green onions added in last minute are adding so much phenomenal flavor. And like I was saying earlier, the overall spice that you get from that hot sesame oil really carries through quite well. It's by no means like it's overbearing, like, but it's there. There is a little bit of a hotness to it. Excellent. It's very flavorful. Beautiful color. Nice big piece of shrimp.
If you like how that fried rice looks, hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel.